Yeah, baby girl, Josh here with DepriveD Productions back in UE4 with a 24th blueprinting tutorial, and it's really not a blueprinting tutorial at all. We're going to talk about something else, and this is going to be by far our shortest tutorial ever. It might take like 1 minute. But the point is, there's a little issue. I've had a couple people ask me, and I want to cover it before we keep going, and we're going to talk about the initializing of the mouse cursor. So basically, when the game starts, sometimes you have to click the screen. You may have ran into this problem. Let me explain. So I'm going to press Alt-P. And I'm going to press the keyboard buttons. And as you can tell, nothing happens. I got this cursor here, but as soon as I click the screen, boom, now the cursor disappears and I can move. Now, a few of you guys may not understand what's going on there. In fact, I've had a few messages. People are like, I don't get it. Well, again, this isn't a blueprinting tutorial, but it's the only thing I can think of. So I'm going to show you just a couple quick things, and we're going to call it a day, and I'll see y'all soon because I'm quarantining. Because I got the... I don't got it. I don't got it. We're going to go... See where it says play up here in your window? Go down to advanced settings. Now, there's two ways to get here. You can get to advanced settings like that, or you can go over here to the edit window, right, and go to editor preferences, okay? And then you need to go down to the play, baby. Go down to the play, and you'll see play in editor here. Now, we're only actually worried about these two boxes right here. You know what I'm talking about? You got this one, and you got that one. Now, watch what happens if I click this. This is use mouse for touch. I apologize. If I click this one, check it out. Let's just drag this bad baby up into the wender because we need wenders. Okay, move it up there. Now, like I said, these two were unchecked by default. This is all by default. Everything just opened up a brand new project here. I'm going to click the second one, right? Use mouse for touch, and I'm gonna go back, and you're gonna notice now that I still have to click the screen, but the mouse is on the screen. So I got the mouse on there, and you see this little bad baby right over here, which you may not want. But the point is, I can't move. I click, boom, and now he's doing stuff, okay? If you want to add your mouse to the screen, you can start by going there. Let's turn it back off, okay? Turn it back off, go back here, go back to the Alt-P, just make sure everything's working. Okay, I have to click. Press all kind of buttons, bro. WASD all every day. And nothing happens. And then after I click, boom, I can move, but the mouse disappears. Now, let's go back to this top one right here, bro. It says game gets mouse control. I want you to click that bad baby. And I want you to go back right in here, press Alt-P, and boom. You ain't got to click the screen no more, homie. You ain't got to click it no more. Just jump right into it. You ain't got to worry about that initial click at the beginning. Let me show you again. As soon as I press the Alt-P, boom, I'm in there. Nice! So that kind of fixes your little bit of a bug, but let's get a little interesting. Let's click them both on there. You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you press Alt-P, you can immediately play the game, and you have your mouse. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, a couple of different options here, guys. The main issue was there were a lot of people that didn't realize how to stop them, turn them back off. They're both off by default. I'm going to turn the top one on, which is game gets mouse control, and go back in. A lot of people didn't realize how to do this, literally. I mean, I've had a few messages about it. Again, this is a short tutorial, but just so you guys know, it's actually really simple to make sure. And again, one more time, just so I show you if you didn't get it, if they're both off by default, you will have to click. Nothing works. I'm pressing all kind of buttons. I know you can hear me doing it. I'm going to click the screen, and now my buttons work, bro. Now my buttons are working. And I want my buttons to work all the time, and I don't want to have to click the screen for my buttons work. So I'm going to not click the screen by going here, editor window. This tutorial is extremely repetitive, but I just want to make sure you guys are getting the gist of it. There's a fly in my house, and it's flying around in front of my screen. I can't see you guys. It's big. It's a big fly. And that's it. That's really what's going on. Real quick tutorial, guys. I wanted to show it to you. Again, it's not even really a blueprinting tutorial, but to me, it was kind of in the blueprints realm. and now that I say that, it wasn't at all. But it's too late, okay? It's too late. I've already done it, and there's nothing I can do. It's the 24th blueprinting tutorial in Unreal Engine 4. And if you don't like it, well, I'm real sorry. I'm real sorry, and forgive me, and I'll do better next time, okay? But guys, I did really need to show this off. For the next few weeks, or for the next, I want to say a couple weeks, I'm going to be covering a few tutorials that you guys have asked me to. This was the first one and the easiest one, I'm not gonna lie. So I jumped on it really quick because I've had such a busy week, because again, I had to quarantine because I came in contact with somebody with COVID, blah, 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 blah. But guys, I'll see you in just a couple more days with another tutorial. I'm gonna try to look at what I can cover that you guys have asked me to cover. Different people, different subscribers. We got 1,700 almost, bro. We're like 3 short. Get them there, man. Share these videos. Share them with your friends, your wife. Okay, tell your wife about them, okay? She's gonna love it. We got descriptions. We got all the links in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the links in the description for our Facebook, SoundCloud, itch.io, Bandcamp. You name it, we're there, son. Get involved with DepriveD, capital D at the beginning, capital D at the end, and run around all crazy, learning stuff. But seriously, guys, I'm gonna be hanging out the house for the next week, so I'm gonna get a few things done for you guys. So I got some cool stuff coming. A couple tutorials, try to cover some stuff you guys need. Hope you learned a little quick something. Again, just go to your editor preferences right here. Go right here into the play, and these two little top bad babies right here. Toy with that, get a little something going. Love you, miss you. Peace.